All right, now we're going to do some examples of finding circumference of a circle. So we're going to use these formulas here. So our first example, so finding circumference. Find circumference of a circle. It's the first task we're going to have to do. So our first example, let's draw a circle. Best that I can with a circle. Hey, that's not too bad. A circle that has a diameter of 10 inches. Now, my diameter is a little bit wonky, but that's okay. 10 inches is the diameter. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down my formula. And here's a little hint that I use to remember this formula. I think of it as cherry pie is delicious. If you don't prefer cherry pie, you could say that cherry pie is disgusting. Either way it works. So cherry pie is delicious. I'm trying to find circumference. So I'm going to substitute 3.14 in for pi, and then I'm going to multiply that with the diameter, which in this problem is just 10. Now you can use a calculator, and you would discover that this is, so 3.14 times 10 is equal to 31.4 inches. And there's your final answer. That's it. Okay, so that was one if we were given diameter. Let's look at an example if we are given a radius. So if we are given a radius, here's example 2. All right, let's do this circle here. And this one is going to have a radius, and I know it's a radius because it's only half of the circle, of 14 millimeters. So again, I'm going to record my formula, is that cherry pie is delicious. Actually, I prefer chocolate pie. We could do chocolate pie is delicious. Okay, I'm trying to find circumference. I know that pi is equal to 3.14, and I need the diameter. Okay, I don't know the diameter, but I know that my radius is 14 millimeters. So if my radius is 14, then that means my diameter is 2 times the radius. What's 2 times 14? 2 times 14 is going to be 28. So it's 28 millimeters is the diameter that we're working with. So now I'm going to do 3.14 times 28. All right, where did I put my calculator? 3.14 times 28. If you don't have a calculator, we could do it manually, of course. But let's see. 3.14 times 28. I got 87.92 millimeters. And don't forget to put your units. So it's either, in this problem it was inches, those are the units because this was 10 inches. This is going to be millimeters because that's what we were provided in this example. Okay, so that's how you find circumference of a circle if you are given either a diameter or a radius. If you're given a diameter, you simply multiply that number by 3.14. If you are given a radius, you just have to double that number and then multiply it by 3.14, and voila, you have your circumference. Easy peasy.